Solving with fractions. We can multiply everything by the bottom to get rid of the parentheses. So here, whoops, bumped the camera. Sorry, y'all. I've got 3 on the bottom, 5 on the bottom, and 15 on the bottom. So to get rid of this one, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. So times 3, times 3, times 3. And I'm going to multiply everything by 5 to get rid of this one. So times 5, times 5, times 5. Now, I need to cancel stuff out. So my 3's cancel out. 2 times 5 is 10. Over here, my 5's cancel out. 3 times 3 is 9. Over here, 3 times 5 is 15, so this and this cancel out. So 31. Now I need to do my add subtract stuff. If we had things to combine, we would, but we don't. So I'll subtract the 10, subtract the 10. My 9m comes down. These guys are gone. My equals comes down. 31 minus 10 is 21. Now I need to do my multiply divide stuff. So I'll divide and divide. These are gone. 21 does not cleanly divide by 9, so I'm just going to leave it like that. And over here, did I write these equations down wrong? Alright, I did not. Alright, so I'm going to multiply 12 is actually 3 times 4. A lot of these equations, they'll have 1 divided by 3, and then I thought I might have written it down wrong because it didn't have 1 divided by 4. So I'm going to multiply everything by 3 and 4. So times 3, times 4, times 3, times 4, times 3, times 4. My 3's cancel out, so I end up with 4x. And over here, this and this cancel out, so I get minus 7x. My 3's cancel out here, so 2 times 4 is 8. 4x minus 7x. Negative 3x. My equals and 8 stay the same. Now I need to do my divide stuff. So divide, divide. X is 8 over negative 3.